Good afternoon, congoers, cosplayers, and enthusiasts dito sa Taco Expo 2010. Ako nga pala si Vincent Hauson, owner and writer ng local gaming blog, backtogaming.com. And also, the blog is also a partner and partner blogger of Luna Online, yung boost na nakikita nyo dyan sa gilid. Nandito ako sa stage right now is to show later yung mga 2 new games na ilalabas ng Luna Online, which is X Machine tsaka Enigma Online. Pero before that, binigyan din ako ng time to promote myself first. Siyempre, yung blog ko, it's about anything and anything about the local gaming scene. MMOs, consoles, and kahit anong news and mga balita na nangyayari dito sa Philippines. Sino ba dito mga gamers? Ang dami ko nakikita dyan, may PSP, DS. Ayan, gamers. Kasi there's this, gusto ko na i-promote isang section ng blog ko. It's specifically about Pinay gamers. Sino dito mga babaeng mga mahilig maglaro ng games? Video games. Meron doon isa. Also, kasi the blog is also one way of helping promote yung local gaming, local video gaming dito sa Pilipinas. And I was hoping na kung gusto nyo, you can visit and you can see na there's this one section dedicated for Pinay gamers. As of now, meron yung blog ko is it has about 5 Pinay gamers. Tapos, it's a bi-weekly release. So kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo akong lapitan or kontakin nyo ako through my email if you want to be featured. And also, currently, I'm also writing for Taco Blog. Kaya lang, medyo inactive ako. If you can come and visit, otakuako.wordpress.com. It's being handled by my friend na nandito ngayon, lumilibot. And basically, yun naman, sa Otaku ako, it's more of, the Otaku scene, mga current animes, mga updates. And also, I'm the one who's handling the interviews. Kaya lang as of this moment, isa pa lang na i-update namin interview, and it's an interview with Hardgate. If you're familiar with him. And I was able to contact him, and I was able to interview him. So, hopefully in the future, if ever if you know cosplayers or gusto nyo feature lang sa blog, sabihan nyo lang ako. Dito lang ako paligid-ligid. And also, humingi rin ako ng support. Kasi currently, I am a participant sa isang Southeast Asian blogger contest na spearheaded by Animax. It's the Video Game Awards, Battle of the Bloggers. And I'm one of the top 10 blogger finalists. So hopefully, if you have an Animax Asia account, please visit yung mga vlogs ko doon, kung kaya nyo. And also, support nyo rin yung other Filipino gamers na nandun.